Ahoy, shipmates! Now I know you must be having this feeling of déjà vu. Well, in fact you have seen this footage of Dilbar before, but due to the current events going on at the moment, I thought it was worth revisiting the superyacht Dilbar to see what is going on today. Superyacht Dilbar is owned by Alisher Usmaninov, one of the many Russian oligarchs that are on the news at the moment. He has owned Superyacht Dilbar since 2016. She's 156 metres long, capacity for 40 passengers, and with a crew of over 80. It has been reported that she costs anywhere from $600 to $800 million. Superyacht Dilbar has a number of features that make her unique. She has the largest swimming pool inside a superyacht, and she has the greatest volume of any superyacht on the water. The name Dilbar is in fact named after Usmaninov's mother. This was when Dilbar was here in the port of Southampton a couple of years ago. Excellent sight to see, clearly massive. Alisher Usmaninov is on the very right of our picture here, and everyone's public enemy number one, Vladimir Putin, is in the middle. And this goes to show you why people are starting to block oligarchs. From this lovely aerial view here, you can see both of the helicopter pads on top of Superyacht Dilbar. Much as the uproar against Russia's invasion into Ukraine, all sorts of sanctions are being placed on Russia itself and some of their oligarchs. A lot of them seem to be based here in London. Mr. Usmaninov has a rather large house in Highgate in London, and his superyacht here is currently in Germany, in Hamburg. I've also been reading that other superyachts have been making their way to the Maldives, where there are no extradition treaties to European countries and the United States. I think the oligarchs of the world are starting to get a bit of a cold feeling down the back of their necks. The German authorities have seized Superyacht Dilbar. I'm not entirely sure what they intend to do with her, but I think at the moment seizing yachts seems to be the way to go. There has been reports of a number of superyachts trying to escape certain shipyards while they're being seized. Hamburg is in the north of Europe, with access to the North Sea. And in fact, the shipyard is right in the centre of Hamburg, and Dilbar is moored up right in the centre of our picture there. She's actually been there for some time. Wasn't due to leave for a while, but in the meantime, authorities have taken control. Difficult to get a scale of Dilbar, but trust me, she looks more like a small cruise ship. Another superyacht that's ended up getting impounded is Solaris. She also holds potentially the title for the most expensive custom luxury yacht in the region of $600 to $700 million US. Currently in Barcelona, she also has been taken over by authorities. Owned by a very popular chap here in the UK, Roman Abramovich. He has a fleet of luxury superyachts, and this is his latest acquisition. Only just been recently launched, so he must be rather annoyed that he can't take it. But perhaps these sanctions will encourage the superyacht owners, who seem to all have a rather close contact with Vladimir Putin, to get him to do something. Well, until next time, shipmates.